Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get transcription of our YouTube video. So let's get diving. So let's open our YouTube. Let's search for our YouTube. Now we're going to click on the video. We want to get a transcript of the video. So let's get diving. Okay, now so for this particular video now I want to get transcript of this. So
Once upon a time in the heart
of the video, just click on the stream menu button
posting
here,
consistently.
and
Just saying, oh, I'm posting
guys.
consistently. We will not give you 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours.
Okay, so this is what
Don't deceive yourself.
Click on this.
Oh my god.
Sorry, guys,
you guys, I am so excited. I'm so happy.
Okay, so
I
this
just
is a particular video. Click on the name of the video.
1,000 views on a particular video, and it's actually 1,000 views and counting.
And then click on more.
I'm excited. I literally went from having 100 views, 50 views on my videos normally. Like the average is usually 100.
This is this.
Even 100 is a lot.
You can see
so now having 1K views on a video, I'm like, what? It just made me realize something that, I've been on YouTube for over 5-6 years now. I have 2 channels. So my other channel, I have seen growth because I'm monetized on that channel. I've been paid by YouTube on that channel. But I've not seen like exponential growth where it's like, boom, you just make, you just have 2K views, 3K views on a video. Yes, I've been consistent. I've seen growth, but I've not seen exponential. Then I decided to revive this particular channel, and I wanted it to be about productivity, money, not just money.